Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. I'm working on a plastic wiper cowl, and I'm going to restore it and protect it. It's starting to fade. It's always facing towards the sun, gets beat up with moisture, dirt from the windshield. And I'm going to use the 303. I'm just going to say the trim coating. It's a graphene trim coating. You guys know what I think about graphene in these products. I don't even care. If it works, it works. I'm just not a huge fan of the buzzword graphene in these coatings, or borphine, or all the other phenes. We're going to first start with cleaning the plastic. This piece here is actually a combination of plastic, textured plastic, very porous, and a bit of rubber as well. And you want to clean it. You want to deep clean it. Just your pH neutral regular shampoos cannot touch some of the dirt that accumulates in the grooves and valleys of this textured plastic. I use a soft detailing brush to agitate it, and we'll follow it with a microfiber to wipe it. You want to make sure the plastic is then perfectly dry, completely dry, before applying the restaurant/protectant. You'll be able to see some of the crud we're pulling up onto the microfiber. Once again, just pH neutral shampoos you're using to wash your vehicle won't touch that type of dirt. So I'm going to actually go over the plastic over and over again until I stop pulling up that crud into the microfiber. Then I know it's squeaky clean. And this is what we have to work with. Faded plastic dried out. You can see the zebra effect in this little section. That's the section I'll keep my eye on as I'm applying the 303 to see if it covers that completely. You want to give the 8-ounce container. It's 8 ounces for $14, $15, depending on where you find it. I found mine at Advanced Auto. You can get it on Amazon as well. Grab a microfiber or a foam applicator. Get some of the product on there and spread it out. It's a clear, thick, molasses-like liquid, and it doesn't give you a hard time applying it. A little bit does go a long way. It seems to even out nicely, even on textured plastic. It's probably a little bit more difficult on the smooth plastic to get looking, blotch-free. Just follow up with a microfiber, and that will help even it out a little bit. A massive difference from the area we restored and protected to the areas that we're coming upon, and up here towards the wiper, that area that had the zebra looking effect. It's covering it up rather nicely, and I'm impressed so far. Let us continue. The 3 points on the label that it tries to get across is it has a minimal runoff effect, lasts up to 6 months, and spreads evenly. Well, the 2 out of the 3 are correct so far. Lasting up to 6 months. We will see. I grabbed the camera and got footage of this. This isn't going to be a super long video, but I wanted to get footage because this one here is getting a coating and protectants that we will maintain. I will see it down the road, and we'll see how it holds up, and I'll share it with you. If the protectant gets on surrounding areas by accident, just grab a microfiber, dry one or damp one even helps, and wipe off painted surfaces, glass, or whatever it gets on. The product does claim to have UV blocks from the sun's harmful rays. We shall see. A lot of products do claim that, including coatings, and it just isn't so. I'll be able to tell if it oxidizes again and turns light gray, and I will keep an eye on it. And that's really all there is to it. There's no mention of cure time. I haven't found anything on it. I would still keep it out of free flowing water for a couple hours and then back to normal. A nice, even looking protectant. That was just one layer, and that's all it's really taken so far. I can't give it a rating as I don't know how long it will last yet, but we shall see. We will hold that for the annual checkup. Brian from Apex Detail, catch you in the next video.